Hey guys, welcome back, and sorry about last video because my battery actually ran out for some reason. It's actually spoiled. Alright, my battery is actually spoiled. So yeah, and by the way, this was our last game, a 185. We're gonna finish it up. Pele is one of the top players. I can't really forget him. What am I doing? Alright, so we finished. 85 team rating, 100 chemistry. Why not we finish and simulate against Espanyol? We're gonna win this. Look, Pario is he scoring? Wait, oh. Thanks to our legend Pele, we didn't lose against Lazio. Pele again. Felipe Anderson, Cristiano Ronaldo, Pele against Manchester United, Rooney, Areo, and actually we're gonna open up some packs today. Pele again. Pele scored in every match, and against Manchester City. Thanks to our legend Pele, we won it 1-0. Just open our goal pack first. Kawaga, 83 Kawaga. I think he should be around 82 or 81. A legend. Oh, Beer Half. I don't know who's that. I don't know who's that, but a legend. I mean, guys, how lucky are we for these days getting legends in our packs? I mean, give me a legend also. Come on. No. Gaetan. You already got him. Oh, we have Drogba though. Drogba. Right, so that's it. I just wanna do that. And wait, what if we go to squad builder? Go 4-1-2-1-2. Let's try whether we can build a team with just special cards. And it's gonna be Bierhoff. No. Costa, I don't want you. I want Sanchez. For centre back, it's gonna be Campbell. For our center attacking mid, no players found. Wow, gold. Santi Cazorla. Alright, Santi Cazorla. And for our left mid, give me a special card. Find Lema. Salah. Alright, I'm not caring about chemistry though. Felipe Luis, CDM. My gold. Alright, Matic. No, I don't go. Special. Bonucci. Right back. Search. Neville. Ellison. And there is it. 86 rating, 86 chemistry. Chemistry can be better, but rating, I think that's the best we can do for now. Alright, so like this video and subscribe to me if you haven't, and I will make a video next time. See ya.